Hãy đến ngay với chúng tôi này, Five Star English, cùng vào lớp Anh ngữ 5 sao này. We got what you need.
Good afternoon. We are a team with 3 members, V, Chang, and Ring. And as you know, nowadays there are many issues related to young children. And according to some research, we have found some of children's problems when they are staying at home alone. They sometimes don't know how to deal with those problems, and with children from 8 to 10 years old, they are very stubborn. Therefore, how can we guide them in order to make them follow our lead with enthusiasm? Today, we are going to share our program to solve these problems.
So the first activities of our program is Act It Out. First, we divide kids into different groups and ask them pick the different topic about safety at home and let them create their own place. So the purpose of this activity is we can see the way how they behave and let them be more interactive and think creatively about the topic.
Okay, so the next activity is share. In the second activities, we will let the kids talk about their problems and their experience about safety at home. This activity will let them be more interactive, be more interested, and engaging to the topic. Also, some kids are scared of their parents, so they don't talk very much about it. And by asking these questions, we give them a chance to talk about it. The next thing we will do is give them general rules. By give them rules, they will know how to deal with any situations, and in any situations. By doing this, we will make sure that the kids know what they should do in dangerous situations that they meet when they are in home alone.
So we continue with activity 3. We will play a game called Emergency Number. First of all, we need to let children talk about what they know about emergency number, and then we'll provide them basic knowledge about those numbers. And before the game, we need to prepare some tools. We write down some emergency number into the note and stick them around the walls. And each group of students will send a person to play the game. The players have to run to the note according to the situation read out loud, and the fastest and stick it on the board. The fastest players will get a point, and finally, the team with the highest score will win the game and get a prize.
Then we have one more game called Pick the Right Things. So in this game, we let kids sit around a circle table with first aid kit. Then they have when we say out loud the situations, that the kids have 3-5 minutes to discuss and choose suitable objects for the circumstance. And when they are done, we will ask for their choice and the reasons why they chose this object. Finally, we have a prize and gift for the right team and explain the answer for them. So this purpose of the game is give them practical improvisation knowledge, see how deep they understand and discover their way of thinking, and see how if they have another way and creative way to solve the problems when they are at home alone. And the extra things is we think the reasons we give to them can make them feel excited and remember things longer.
So after that we will play Kahoot game. I think maybe children want to play some online games, so Kahoot game is a perfect choice. And now there are 15 questions in this game, and they are about different situations that may be caused at home. And after each question, students need to explain why they choose that answer and what would they do if the situation happens to them. And of course we don't have time for every student to explain, so we just pick randomly some student. Moreover, we need to give them solution for each problems. I hope after this game, children will play Kahoot game with enthusiasm, and they will be more interactive. Moreover, we can see how they solve those situations and be more creative.
So the last activity is silent solutions. In these activities, we will call a student to get in front of the class, and he will act the situations he in, and the people in the class will have to guess what situations is he in, and they will have to talk about it. The person with the right answer will get a point, and the person with the highest point will get a prize. And by doing this, we will make sure that they remember everything they have learned in the class, and they will learn it in a more fun, engaging, and more actively. Okay, so that is the end of the program.
So in the end, we always think about the results. So so then kids can learn about important things and the way how to deal with problems when they are home alone, and in order to have chance to become familiar, to meet each other, work together, and learn some teamwork skills by through the programs mixed by acting, talking, thinking, practical practice activities. So with the topic safety at home, our program is not a bad choice for you. So thank you for listening.
5 star, 5 star, 5 star English. 5 star, 5 star.
5 Star English, một công ty thuộc tập đoàn giáo dục Atlantic